Cities carry dreams, and dreams drive innovation. Innovation makes the city greener and more beautiful. The cycle is only for the ecology to repeat itself. Green is only for energy generation. High quality has created Zhuoxin brand. An extraordinary ingenuity has achieved a century-old enterprise. Zhuoxin Plastics is committed to creating a Chinese national brand and the world's template to benefit the people of the world with high-quality services. We use a simple artisan spirit to start the entrepreneurial path of the plastics industry in 2006. Sam UK brand was founded to revolutionize the industry with smart data in 2008. Technology leads, wisdom exchanges the future. Zhuoxin Plastics, focusing on the 2025 brand plan made in China and the Industry 4.0 era, has a scientific vision to spy on every step of enterprise development. With continuous R&D and innovation, we adhere to the eternal pursuit of high-quality products. Zhuoxin people are moving with technology, high-quality products, and excellent services. Zhuoxin has upgraded its brand concept, built a new production base, explored mature technological process, and cultivated a spirit of relentless pursuit of quality. Provide customers better service support. We have the ability to independently develop molds and can develop and manufacture injection molds according to customers' needs. Provide systematic solutions for customers. In order to ensure the products meet customers' requirements and standards, quality inspection personnel confirm each batch of products in time, and only after past inspection and identification can mass production. Zhuoxin has deep technical experience and keen market insight, and has established strategic cooperative relations with many large domestic and foreign enterprises. The products are exported to more than 100 countries and regions around the world, and trusted by customers worldwide. We have built a mature marketing service network around the world, responding to customers' needs in a timely manner, and at the same time, provide differentiated and personalized services according to the local market requirements of customers, and maintain each partner with quality and care. Adhere to the quality of SECO. Zhuoxin is a new high-tech enterprise, facing the constantly updated market demand. Adhere to people-oriented. Cast the soul of Zhuoxin culture. Create a high-quality office environment. Create a relaxed and comfortable working atmosphere. And at the same time, use various training activities and promotion mechanisms to mobilize the enthusiasm and creativity of employees. Promote their personality development. Enhance employees' sense of belonging and pride, and inspire team fighting and cohesion. Today, Zhuoxin has assumed its own social responsibilities, innovated product technology, maximized the value of resources, advocated green life, and promoted harmonious development. Create a national brand and move towards the world stage. Zhuoxin Plastics will shape the future with heart, continuing to internationalize. Create a new private enterprise in Taizhou. Create a new brand of the Chinese nation, and becoming the world's first supplier of pipe fittings.